Theorem 6.3 ne kyangra jiga line ABA na CT hi only intersect sa khaira taka chili form sa khai vertically opposite angles ping jiga vertically opposite angles jiga khigra ji hreng ro he pera khuise hi angle hi pa hi jiga angle BOC and hi angle hi pa hi jiga angle DOA tai ka angle BOC and DOA hi pera khaya ene pair ka khnia ban jiga hi angle jiga AOC jen hi angle jiga DOP taka hi angle AOC and DOP pera khaya the pair khni hi vertically opposite angles ne jan theorem hin kyangra jiga hi form sa ka vertically opposite angles ping yang raing ro kai da khang nya the given wa ka bi myaw ro jan to prove free hi ka bi song ro chap cha da hi proof sang jin dam ni ma okay figure hiri no OT hi eliminate sai ka hi figure mang hi consider saing sai da ka hi figure hiri ang ka re OC hi line AB ring ning da khaira da ka hi theorem 6.1 wa tissue da hi angle jiga BOC and hi angle jiga AOC ani khini hi plus sa ka 180 degree shok ra ya he theorem 6.1 a tissue dam ni ma jan hi horjak hiri tak pi sang ro okay laga hi equation 1 le jaw sa jan are above in the OA hi eliminate sau ge da ka hi figure hi yang ro figure hi yang ka re OP hi line CT ring ning da khaitra ta ka hi OP is a ray standing on the line CT okay chita ka hi ka theorem 6.1 with ta ka mai na hi angle je ka TOP jan hi angle je ka BOC ani khini hi plus sa ka 180 degree shokra jan hi jab cha da horjak tak video sai laga equation 2 phok myaw se equation 1 ro 180 we equal ne equation 2 ro 180 we equal ne chitai ka hi we equation 1 and equation 2 hi equalize sa pa yor equate sa by over chitai ka equating equation 1 and 2 equation 1 jaga angle BOC plus AOC then equation 2 jaga angle DOP plus angle BOC then left hand side we angle BOC and right hand side we angle BOC cancel sang rogai ga hiri angle AOC equals to angle DOP shokra ta ga hiwi idumwe first by proof sa then second by he proof sa re je ga idum athang with the line we jiri dum na re above eliminate musamra jiri ara eliminate musarang jibing ji sayang ra theorem 6.1 apply sayang ro chada apply sa ga hiwi idum ka khni proof sa ji pa ji shokri na tam mujang naw re ra thada direct had proof sai da ga pi mi kai mo ya jada eliminate musarang ji re bing ji eliminate sa khur ga thang da theorem 6.1 apply sa ga hi proof shokya angle BOC is equal to angle DOA we proof hi samphang ro ko aritam itum na sa khai tha khota ga ya okay exercise 6.2 question number 1 hi figure hi li yang la ka x value bhalok ji ko ya ta ka hi angle FOT and angle COE hi vertically opposite angle ne laga hi theorem 6.3 wa tissue the vertically opposite angles were right chai so angle FOT is equal to angle COE jiva angle FOT hi 11x ga angle COE la 11x pabam ra we angle AOC we angle COE we angle BOE hi straight angle shok straight line form sa angle na shik tum je jiwa na shik tum hi plus sa ga 180 degree shok ra general solution river angle mi ai da clay values pingji kabi sangoro chena athang hang khai da since angle FOT and COE hi vertically opposite angle sau gi da anikti wangra jawra daga 11x general above angle AOC COE and BOE hi straight angle form sau gi da ashik to me plus sa ga 180 degree shokra then angle AOC jiga 5x COE jiga 11x then angle BOE jiga 2x taga hi 5x plus 11x plus 2x jiga 18x then hi 18 baji hirak transfer ka sa ko right hand side to transfer ka sa ko 180 divided by 18 so 180 divided by 18 is 10 degree okay Jane question number 3 ni kang le jiga intersecting lines khani ABA and CD let us say we vertically opposite angles angle AOC and angle DOB we bisectors khani jiga angle AOC we bisector hi PO Jane angle DOB we bisector hi OQ hi bisector khani hi na form sa kai daga PQ ya PQ hi straight line ne ji proof sa lo ji ko ya Then given the AOC and the BOD vertically opposite angles ne karo OPA and OQ here and you can we bisector ne da hang awa key proof sak ji do idom PQ hi straight line ne ji proof sak ji da ka PQ hi ka tharan straight line ro hi angle POC hi angle BOC then hi angle BOQ hi plus sa sel ka 180 degree shok ka hi PQ hi straight line ne da hang bai re ya Hiwi angle AOC and hiwi angle BOD vertically opposite angles how kita ani khni wang rai chai da hang bayora laga side khni ni wak pa half the 1/2 na multiply sa bo sha daga half of AOC ji ka AOC wa half hi POC hi ra ka AOC wa half nei laga angle AOP hi ra ka angle AOC wa half ne jan hi khni wi ri in a angle POC ba hi khui gai go ya okay jan hiwi angle BOT hi angle BOT we half chiga angle BOT we half POQ angle BOQ here BOT we half ne angle QOT here ga angle BOT we half ne ya daga in here angle BOQ we kui ga ya so half of angle BOT is angle BOQ okay daga hi kiwai na ji daw ji maram jik bi me wang OP and OQ hi angle AOC and angle BOT we bisector ne ji ba ja 这个是一种的 keep 说改的 he figure 零咯 figure 话怪样吧咯 he angle POC 呢 he angle BOQ hình来在的怕说改的这样二吧 he angle BOQ 里 he re OQ hình的 bisect 它啥的么就往呢 he angle BOQ 和 he angle QOT hình来在的这个 It's a matter first you got original jigta do he angle BOC and he angle BOQ ngai chai da hang la angle BOQ and angle QOT ngai chai da original pha sok ra da ga asik to mi ngai ro ga obviously angle POC and angle QOT ngai chai ra so you can write like this angle QOT angle POC ngai chai da ga bio ra so let us say this is equation 1 okay I will figure li yang for figure we in eliminate sak pai pai ji sar ka hui part pa himang akshi consider sa se ya we angle BOC and hui angle POD linear pair form za ya ju ka kratwa angle khni hi plus sa ka 180 degree shokre ya or you can simply apply theorem 6.1 okay hui angle BOC plus POD is equal to 180 degree ji hi tak pi sanga sa ro okay aru the figure leng for hui angle BOD ji ka BOD ji ba ya Hui angle BOT kin form sa to hui angle BOQ aina hui angle QOT hi plus sa ka chok tam ni ma ya ta ga hui angle BOT wi mu hut pare va angle BOQ plus QOT hi ka bi sang ya ta ga hi chap cha de ni tak bi yo kwe okay jan hui angle QOT wi mu hut ki sang ro hi equation 1 angle QOT POC ri mang na ja then POC to ta sang ya Okay, POC na first is sangao, BOC na second is sangao, BOQ na last is sangao jo sang. Taka hiwi BOC plus BOC plus BOQ hi itumatang hiya sa ka straight chokro da hang ma ji mang ra ya ra. Hi chap char dem ni. Hi chap ja ka thus PQ is a straight line. Okay, question number 5 in the Kangra line AB with point O in the ray OC color ray OT he produce shok tharan angle BOC and angle AOT hing rai cha khai tharan ray OC and OT he opposite rays ne ji proof sa ro da hang ya chen da ka hi ji tharan opposite rays ne da hang bai ra hi we angle AOC and hi we angle AOT he plus sa la 180 degree shok ka ray OC and ray OT he opposite rays ne da hang bai ya given the question in me the angle BOC equal to angle AOT ka pi sang ba mo ro jan itum ki proof sak ji do OC and OT hi opposite rays ne ji proof sak ji dang okay proof free figure wak pa chaks da yang wa ru shi chai na da ka hi angle AOC and hi angle BOC hi linear pair shock way chu ka krat pa wa andikni plus sa 180 degree shock re or arida you can simply apply theorem 6.1 hiwi angle BOC by the angle AOD ring right ja yang okay the hiwi angle AOC and hiwi angle AOD hi 180 degree shock way chu ka krat wa hiwi angle AOD and hiwi angle BOC hi vertically opposite angles ne da hangai pai ta yang chika vertically opposite angles ki tharan forms are if it is only straight line okay if it is only straight line that means if it is only opposite rays okay then hiang ro anikni condition here ko fulfill sa pa mara okay so therefore angle AOD and BOC hi vertically opposite angles ne da hangau ro then or COD hi straight line ne da hangau ra COD hi straight line occur obviously OC and OT here they are opposite rays okay all right thank you